Welcome to my channel. There are many different types of electric facial cleansing spin brush set for women available, each with different qualities, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. 3 brush heads, includes 1 silicone head, and all heads can rotate 360 degrees. 2 speeds, low for daily cleaning, and high for exfoliation. This unit is not waterproof. CLSEVXY face wash brush powered by 2 AA batteries, not included. Our face scrubber delivers superior cleansing on hard to remove makeup, dirt, and oil from pores. Soft nylon bristles are gentle on your face. Silicone brush suitable for all skin types. This price is equivalent to the price of a replacement brush head. The entry-level facial cleansing device is equivalent to a gift. The 3 brush heads are suitable. Made with ultra-soft nylon bristles helps to remove sebum and dullness for sensitive skin and thinner skin, soft and comfortable. Ultra-hygienic soft silicone rubber, more gentle for people with sensitive skin. Meaning you can get a much gentle to cleanse. Made of durable, nylon bristles to help flush and dislodge oil and debris that clogs pores, soft touch for normal skin. Use as directed. Come with a user manual. Approximate steps of use: wet the bristles with clean water, put the facial cleanser on the brush head, select your desired speed and wash your face. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.